Hi friends, welcome back in another video. In today's video we are going to make a vehicle number plate detection system so you can capture any vehicle plate and see data on OLED display. So for making this project you need to require few components. The main component is ESP32 cam, OLED display, 1K resistance and programming jig. You can use this type of board for program ESP32 cam. This is the circuit connection of our project. You can take a screenshot. To avoid messy connection, we have soldered all our component at 0 PCB. Now you can see it's look like good. To view data on laptop also, we have soldered our programming jig on PCB. Using USB cable, we will give power our whole circuit with the help of laptop. Now fix ESP32 cam board on programming jig. Now connect OLED. If you are not able to make PCB, then you can make connection on breadboard. Now project is complete. We will give power our whole circuit with the help of laptop. Now we will program our board. For that we will connect it to the laptop. Before uploading the program, firstly you need to create Circuit Digest Cloud account. I have already created. If you not create, so first you have to create account, then login in. So now click on login. I have already created my account. Now enter detail and login now. After logging my account, you can see in the right corner my account. I have already generated my API key. As soon as you complete the captcha, you will also get the API key. So now copy my API key and paste in our program. So firstly you need to install all giving library. After that we are using Circuit Digest Cloud. Now go to tools, select board and port and upload it. Program is uploaded successfully. We have to test it. After connecting laptop, press the reset button. Now our device is connected successfully with Wi-Fi. In display you can see press trick button to start capturing. The image of our object in the camera is showing upside down, so we will keep our object upside down. Now I press trick button to capturing the image. Image is captured successfully. Uploading data. Wait for response. And you can see MS22RT2749. You can also see data on serial monitor. So I copy this link and paste in any browser. The picture clicked by our ESP32 cam looks something like this. Now I take the next picture following the same process again. It is not necessary that you can only detect car plate, you can also easily detect motorcycle plate. In some other video, we will make a car parking system or toll booth detection system by using this project. If you want to make or buy any project, then let us know. That's all for today's. If you not subscribed yet, then please do subscribe. Thanks for watching.